Hello everyone, this is Brittanie from the Leamington branch, and I'm here to talk to you today about one of the great services that we offer online. So, as you can see, I am on www.essexcountylibrary.ca, our library's website, and today we're going to be talking about transparent languages. So to access transparent languages, we're going to go down over here to the database section, this large yellow star. We're going to click on it. Now, our databases are sorted alphabetically, so transparent language being with a T. I'm going to roll down all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see here, transparent language online. Now, this is a language learning platform that allows you to learn many, many languages, all from the comfort of your own home. So, what we're going to do is we're going to click on this. You're going to have to put in your Essex County Library card and your PIN number. I'm going to put in mine first. And then once you're in, you're going to see this login or sign up page. If you do not have an account with Transparent Language yet, please click on the sign up tab right here and fill out your username, your name, email, password, and all that kind of thing. But for this video, we're just going to continue as a guest. You can continue as a guest even at home, but it will not save any of your progress, and we highly recommend signing up for an account to get the full experience. So, we're going to continue as a guest. And it's going to teach us starting off with all of the languages that you can possibly learn. As you can see here, we have so many. Finnish, Korean, we have Japanese, we have Zulu, we have Thai, Swedish, Danish, so many. So once you pick the language that you'd like, you're just going to click on it. So you'll notice that some of them, like Arabic, Chinese, Spanish, they have multiple dialects, and they have some of them have what they call kids speak, which it's a function that is delivered to children to help them learn better, okay? So I'm just going to pick Danish, just for some fun. So you click on Danish, and then it's going to ask you if you are an English speaker, if you're a Latin American Spanish speaker, or if you're a Turkish speaker. My first language is English, so I'm going to pick for the English speaker. And then it's going to welcome you. So we're going to quickly go through this learning platform. You'll see this the first time you sign in. I'm just going to go through these, and I'll explain it later for you all. So, this is what they call your learning path. So as you can see, it's broken down into lessons and even into units that you can go through. This one has so many, 11 units that you can go through to learn this language. We do recommend taking it in order, so starting off with the Danish alphabet and then going all the way down to unit 11. But there's also some really other cool features. Your personal goal here at the side tells you how much time that you have spent learning this language and how many days that you come back learning this language. Also down here, we have the practice section. This allows you to it's a shorter assessment, and it allows you to practice speaking, reading, writing, all of that set by these icons here. So the headphones being listening, the book being reading, the bubble here being speaking, and the pen being writing, and it allows you to take shorter tests and lessons to practice the skills that you have learned already in your lessons. If you have an account, this will keep track of everything that you've ever done. It also gives you resources. It keeps a history of everything you've done. So we do, as I said before, recommend keeping an account. And this is just one of the great features that we have for this library, and one of the many languages that you can learn through Transparent Language. So I hope you give it a try. Please feel free to call your nearest library branch if you need any assistance, and we'd be happy to help you out. Until then, I'll see you later.